Welcome to Transformers Part 26 video. Today we are going to see the dielectric test of transformer oil. हम इसी वीडियो में ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल का डाइलेक्ट्रिक टेस्ट देखना है. We will be just seeing the transformer oil requirements first. The transformer oil should be having high dielectric strength. What does it mean? It should be withstanding high voltage. मतलब ये अच्छा इंसुलेशन प्रॉपर्टी रहना है उसको. So it is used as a insulating medium. There are mainly two purposes for the transformer oil. It is mainly used for as insulating medium. In the transformer, there is the container, and in the container the windings are placed, and it is filled with transformer oil, which is acting as a insulating medium and also as a cooling medium. So there are two conditions for transformer oil. It is acting as insulating medium. It is providing insulation to the windings. Also at the same time, it is taking away the heat generated by the windings during operation. ये दो पर्पस सर्व कर रहा है ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल. वो इंसुलेटिंग मीडियम जैसा यूज़ करता है और उसी के साथ साथ इट इज़ कूलिंग मीडियम जैसा भी करता है. तो ऑपरेशन करने के समय ट्रांसफार्मर वाइंडिंग हीट होता है, वो हीट बाहर निकलता है ये ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल. तो दो पर्पस से इंसुलेशन भी है, कूलिंग भी दे सकता है, देता है वो. अभी ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल बाहर से कुछ मटेरियल उसके अंदर आए तो, जैसा मॉइस्चर, कोई फॉरेन मटेरियल उसके अंदर आए तो उसका डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ सडनली रिड्यूस होगा. when the transformer oil is absorbing some moisture or other some any other ingress happening, it will be suddenly reducing its insulation capacities. So it should not be happening. It should not absorb any moisture. तो उसके लिए क्या करता है, ये इंसुलेशन कम हो गया या नहीं, ये शेड्यूल चेक करने के लिए ये टेक्नीशियन क्या करना है, ही हैज़ टू चेक इन अ शेड्यूल्ड वे, मंथली और वीकली जैसा टेस्ट होगा, वो शेड्यूल्ड टेस्ट मानता है. दैट विल बी डन विद द ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल. तो आप कोई पावर स्टेशन यानी सब स्टेशन में काम कर रहा है तो आपको ये ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल बाहर लेना पड़ेगा, वो कुछ टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसमें एक टेस्ट है हाई डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ टेस्ट करने के लिए, डाइलेक्ट्रिक विथस्टैंड टेस्ट और ब्रेक डाउन वोल्टेज टेस्ट, BDV टेस्ट बताता है. So the technician is doing scheduled test in the power station or substation wherever the transformer is available. In a week or in a month, he'll be taking out a bit of transformer oil and it will be used for few tests, and that will be giving you the condition of transformer oil, whether it is good or not. So one of the tests is BDV, breakdown voltage test. So typical oil color specimen, the good color and bad color you will be able to see. In good condition it will be having almost yellow color, and if it is purely bad condition it will be dark brown condition like this. So ये है ऑयल कलर. आप देख सकता है बहुत अच्छा है तो येलोइश होगा और डार्क होगा बैड है तो. So this is the color changes happening in the transformer oil from the good condition to the bad condition. अभी हम बताता है क्या ये ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल में BDV टेस्ट क्यों कर रहा है, ब्रेक डाउन वोल्टेज. व्हाई द ब्रेक डाउन वोल्टेज टेस्ट इज बीइंग डन इन द ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल. You already told, when moisture or some other foreign material is absorbed by the transformer oil, its insulation capacity is coming down. That has to be tested. That test is known as breakdown voltage test. वो टेस्ट करने के लिए अभी कोई बाहर से मॉइस्चर वगैरह चीज़ों ट्रांसफार्मर ऑयल अब्सॉर्ब किए तो उसका इंसुलेशन प्रॉपर्टी कम होगा, वो खराब होगा. तो टेक्नीशियन एक हफ्ते में, एक महीने में जैसा कोई टेस्ट करना है, एक उसमें ही एक टेस्ट है ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज टेस्ट, BDV टेस्ट. नाउ वी आर सीइंग ए breakdown voltage test chamber. Whatever you are seeing the picture, it's a breakdown voltage test chamber. उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे, in the left side you will be able to see, I'll be again in the next picture I'll be showing what is inside. So there are some control in the right side and a test chamber inside left side. In the left side it is a test chamber, and in the right side it is a control chamber, voltage for controlling the voltages. Okay, so इसमें आप देख रहा है breakdown voltage equipment. ब्रेक डाउन वोल्टेज टेस्ट इक्विपमेंट और BDV टेस्ट इक्विपमेंट बताता है उसको। उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे आप देख सकते हैं ये चेम्बर है, उसके अंदर कोई चीज़ है, उसमें ऑयल डालता है, हम देखेंगे। और राइट साइड पे वोल्टेज कंट्रोल करना का एक इक्विपमेंट है। So inside this chamber, you will be able to see a equipment like this. So in the left side, one and two are there. It is having high voltage giving areas. Okay, and in the middle, you will be able to see a vessel, and inside this vessel, the oil is kept. A transformer oil is, and two electrodes are there, and electrodes. The distance between electrodes will be set. So this is inside the testing chamber. We'll be now seeing its condition. So this is the testing chamber, and you will be seeing the oil has to be filled till the oil level. ये oil level तक oil fill करना है, ऑयल फिल करेंगे, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों एंड में हम उसका वोल्टेज, ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज इंक्रीज करेंगे। वी विल बी इंक्रीजिंग द वोल्टेज इन बिट दिस आइटम। ओके, सो दैट इज टू बी डन। वी विल बी इंक्रीजिंग द वोल्टेज between two electrodes, and at a particular point of time there will be a flash. Okay, so this is happening inside the chamber. So what is happening inside chamber? Now this is the test equipment, and here is the chamber. We are seeing the chamber here, and in the chamber you will be able to see the voltage will be applied, and it's a container which is containing oil, and there is two electrode within a specific gap will be there, and we'll be increasing the voltage across these terminals. जितना kV है तो वो kV increase करते रहे, we'll be increasing the high voltage gradually, and the procedure will be telling later detailing, and oil will be there, and at a particular point of time it will be having a sparking between these two electrodes. वो voltage कितना है वो measure करना है। जब when there is a spark between these two items, we'll be measuring that voltage. That is the breakdown voltage of the oil, and we'll be seeing the test up like this, and the two electrodes are like this. Here this is the oil electrode, and container, inside the container two electrodes are available. So these are two electrodes, and in between electrodes there is a gap of 2.5 mm. 2.5 mm distance will be there, and it will be properly set in the chamber. And ये कॉन्टैक्ट एक ट्रांसफॉर्मर से मिल रहा है। ओके, ये ट्रांसफॉर्मर देख सकता है, ये ट्रांसफॉर्मर लो वोल्टेज को हाई वोल्टेज बनाता है। सो दिस इज द ट्रांसफॉर्मर, एंड इन द प्राइमरी देयर बी ए 240 volt supply, normal single phase AC supply in India, and that will be stepped up to high voltage. Stepped up to high voltage may be 0 voltage to 100 kV तक चेंज कर सकता है। जितना आपका when we are changing the input voltage, here the voltage will be increasing, the high voltage will be increasing. So what is the setup? This is circuit. Input is 240 volt AC. This is the voltage variation or auto transformer or dimmer stat or variac. And when we are changing the input voltage, this is a step up transformer, and the voltage here will be increasing. The rating generally it is 0 voltage to 100 kV tak. And when the high voltage is available here, there will be a spark between these electrodes, and that is known as the breakdown voltage of the oil. And for doing that, some procedure are there that has to be seen. Now you will be able to see the dimensions of the port as per the Indian standard. As per the Indian standard, this is the container size, and what is the radius of these electrodes, and the shape will be semi-sphere. जैसा it is not a sharp edge item, ये sharp edge item electrode नहीं रहेगा, it will be semi-sphere type of item, semi-sphere with a 2.5 mm gap that will be set by some measuring instrument. Now the testing procedure we will be seeing how much electrical voltage that will be withstanding, that is known as breakdown voltage, and electrodes will be mounted with a specific gap between them, that is 2.5 mm will be set between the electrodes. इलेक्ट्रोड के बीच में हम 2.5 mm सेट करेंगे, जैसा देखता है आपने ऐसा सेट किया है। ए सैम्पल ऑयल इसके अंदर डालना है, विल बी पुटिंग ऑयल, ऑयल विल बी kept into this vessel, AC voltage will be applied to the electrodes from 0 voltage to increasing maximum high voltage, and the voltage will be slowly increased. You have to note that the voltage will be very slowly increased gradually, and oil will be breaking down, and that will be the breakdown voltage. Okay, so when it is breaking down, this will be taken as breakdown voltage, and this is the test result. Okay, so this is the test result, and we are going to see the total pictures like this. The circuit diagram we have seen, the container size we have seen. Now the procedure. As per Indian Standard, Bureau of Indian Standard, there is 6792/1992. It is giving a procedure. The test voltage will be giving a test transformer. It should be having 48 to 62 hertz. हम तब ट्रांसफॉर्मर के बारे में बताया, वो ट्रांसफॉर्मर 48 hertz से 62 hertz तक ऑपरेट कर सकता है. लो वोल्टेज सोर्स से वो ऑपरेट होता है. द वोल्टेज इनपुट विल बी लो वोल्टेज ऑफ सिंगल फेज नॉर्मल AC supply, and we have to increase the auto transformer gradually. It can be by manual operation or by an auto transform automatic control. आपका BDV टेस्ट कंट्रोल का इनपुट सप्लाई वोल्टेज 0 से 230 वोल्ट तक वेरी कर सकता है. वो मैनुअल भी कर सकता है, नहीं तो ऑटोमेटिक जैसे स्टेपर मोटर, सर्वो मोटर्स में भी इधर. तो इंक्रीज वोल्टेज कैसे करना है वो इंपॉर्टेंट स्पेसिफिकेशन है. वो आप 0 से लेके 40 kV तक एक इंस्टेंट में नहीं आना है, एक सेकंड में 2 kV इंक्रीज करना है. द प्रोसीजर इज लाइक दिस. वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द वोल्टेज ओनली एट द रेट ऑफ 2 kV per second. In a second, we should be increasing 2 kV. Now 2 kV, 4 kV, 6 kV, 8 kV per second. जितना seconds होता है उसके अनुसार we have to increase it very gradually. And we have to note down the breakdown voltage. Normally, in all test equipments, it will be automatically giving you the result. Whatever the maximum voltage available, it will be shown even after the circuit is switched off. And we have to repeat this test 6 times. Not only one time, we have to conduct the same test 6 times. और करना है एक टेस्ट के बाद दूसरा टेस्ट में 2 मिनट का गैप होना है. वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू 6 times with a gap of 2 minutes between the test, and we'll be taking the average of 6 readings, and that will be giving you the breakdown voltage. So for breakdown voltage, we'll be varying the input voltage 0 to 240, but with a time allowance of 2 kV per second, and it will be giving the breakdown voltage, and such 6 tests has to be done, and average result will be taken as the breakdown voltage of oil. And parameters of spark, हमने देखा 2 electrodes. We have seen 2 electrodes and it will be having spark. When and what are the conditions controlling the sparking? And size and shape. There is a standard size and shape as per the Bureau of Indian Standard, and the gap between the electrodes. So it should not be have any sharp area. The electrode should be having semi-spherical condition with smooth areas. There is no sharp, and 2.5 mm gap between the electrodes. And the rate of the voltage, it is 2.5 kV per second. That was also important. और कितना समय कर रहा है और कितने समय के बाद कर रहा है. We have to conduct it 6 times. How many times we are conducting? We will be conducting it 6 times, and we will be conducting with a 2-minute gap between them. And the oil will be stirred. Actually, we have to collect the oil and it has to be properly mixed. It is not a final filtered out like that. We have to totally stir the oil. Then only we have to conduct the test. Now, what we have to see, while we are collecting, the technician will be collecting oil from the transformer. You may be working in a substation or power station, and for the test, you have to collect the oil from the transformer regularly. And for that, आप क्या करना है? You have to clean inside and outside the drain valve, because the drain valve, it is available outside generally in the yard. It will be having already lot of dust particles. You have to clean it before taking the oil. The drain valve should be properly cleaned. ये drain valve से हम लेता है oil. ये drain valve उसके आसपास ही टोटल डस्ट होगा. पहले ऑयल लेने के पहले ही वो क्लीन करना है. एंड generally on the transformers there will be sludge formation in the bottom of the transformer. and there may be containment and particles. So we have to collect it. Mainly the oil has to be thoroughly flush करना है. It is first we'll be removing 2 liters of oil because in the bottom there will be sludge. So whatever the 2 liters of oil, we'll be just removing that, or we will be discarding that oil, and we'll be taking the bulk oil, not as filtered out oil. We'll be taking the bulk main of the oil, then it will be giving the exact output. तो जो आपका ट्रांसफार्मर है, ट्रांसफार्मर में नीचे तो पूरा पार्टिकल, डस्ट पार्टिकल आएगा, वो उससे लेना नहीं. वो 2 लीटर आप रिमूव कर दीजिए, उसके बाद टोटली फ्लश करके लेना है. अभी जैसे कि ये ऑयल इंजन बोतल यूज करता है. टेक्नीशियन क्या करता है, तो कुछ ऑयल लेना है तो क्या करेगा, अच्छा बोतल नहीं लेता है, वो पुराना डीजल इंजन ऑयल वगैरह वेस्ट बास्केट में, वेस्ट बोतल में लेता है. तो क्या होगा, उसके अंदर ही डस्ट होगा, ऑयल खराब होगा. तो वेरी नीट बोतल शुड बी यूज फॉर कलेक्टिंग द ऑयल. So that is the important thing for a technician. You should be collecting good bottles, not old engine oil bottles and all. It itself will be making bad. Now there should not be a bubbles of air. Without making bubble of air, you should be slowly taking the sample in the bottle. And generally, we'll be keeping the flow in the sides of the bottle, not directly onto the center. We'll be slowly putting the sides of the side walls of the bottle, and through that the oil will be flowing down to reduce the bubbles creation. And whenever you are not testing the oil sample, it has to be kept properly. It has to be clear plastic bottle में, dark area में. Don't put in the sunlight. And if you are exposing it to sunlight or UV light, it may deteriorate. For the testing purpose, if you are collecting the samples, you keep it in dark room before doing the test. If you are storing, you have to keep it in dark room. Don't expose it to ultraviolet rays from sun. It will be deteriorating the condition. आप जब ऑयल लेता है टेस्ट के लिए, जस्ट अभी अभी टेस्ट नहीं करता नहीं, आप स्टोर करता है तो कोई सनलाइट उसमें आना नहीं, वो डार्क शेड पे रखना है, क्योंकि यूवी अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन उसमें आए हैं तो वो खराब हो सकता है. तो टेक्नीशियन के लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये टेस्ट करने के लिए कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन भी है ऐसा, नहीं तो द टेस्ट रिजल्ट विल नॉट बी करेक्ट. And the test voltage is not being specified the Indian standard. It is depending on the application. Generally 40 kV it is taken as the standard, but it is depending on your substation and power station specification.